Well, right-wing extremism is a red herring. Those who speak about it use two strategies. The first is what I call a Breivik strategy. They take an atrocious act of a mentally unbalanced loner and present it as a part of a larger whole. I remember a prominent MEP making an outrageous statement that the critics of the EU are among Breivik's godfathers. The second strategy is a knee-jerk association with Adolf Hitler. If anything threatens Europe, it is a ghost of Lenin rather than a ghost of Hitler, because the political mainstream has been hijacked by the radical left. The leftist ideology is being imposed by the governments. Priests and mayors are forced to perform homosexual marriages against their will and conscience. Hospitals are forced to perform abortions. Pro-family demonstrators treated brutally by police. Minister Payon trying to replace Christianity with Republican religion. During the last 6 months, we have had about a dozen churches burned, set fire to and vandalised. We had the Belgian Archbishop physically attacked by pro-abortion lesbians. We had an opposition politician in Poland assassinated and the leader of the opposition receiving death threats. We had respectable statesmen vilified in this chamber and outside it by leftist fanatics. We had German soi-disant anti-fascists attacking peaceful demonstrators in Warsaw. All this is radical leftism at its worst, in part condoned, in part inspired, and in part serenely tolerated. We will have more of it once the new crusade against so-called radical wing extremism is launched. Check the facts and control your zeal, Madam Commissioner.